welcome to my channel. I just faced a problem a couple of weeks ago. I tried to extend my visa, dependent visa, through the site gov.uk, and here's the condition. My wife has already got the ILR. She was here in 2020. I moved to UK in 2022. That means I need more 1.5 years time to apply for my ILR, and my visa got expired on 2025. So what to do? I was a bit confused initially how to extend my visa, what route should I go, and clearly there were a lot of options when I went to uh, watch a lot of videos. I was really confused because none of the videos were as much informative. I did ask a couple of my friends, and I got an excellent way to proceed forward, and I think this video will help you guys if you are really confused what to do. I'm trying to make the video as precise as it can be because none of the videos that I found in YouTube were precise enough. So they skipped some of the important bits so that people were asking a lot of questions and I was in the same field. So I just want to give you a clear insight on this thing. I'll just start, like I'll provide you the link where to start. So it's the extending your dependent visa when your spouse has already got an ILR. That's the case scenario that I'm starting with. So the site I'll be pinning in the comments or below in the description. You can find the direct site. Please be cautious. Don't apply or don't change your visa route to family route or uh, dependent as an ILR holder. Now please extend your visa. So there was a condition when the COS was expired. So how did I do it? And luckily I got my visa extended to 3 years last week. So here's the way. You can start with, like, do you have a current EU, EEA or Swiss passport? I said no. Do you have a UK biometric residence permit? I said yes. Even if it's expired, you need to put yes. Have your biometric residence permit expired? Yes, it was expired 2024 December. So we need a residence permit. So it was 2024 December. So I put expired less than 18 months ago. Have you ever provided your fingerprints for a UK visa application? Yes, I did it while extending my spouse visa as a dependent last time. Is your name on the biometric same as current passport? Yeah, luckily I don't have it changed. Okay, so here's one of the tricky bit. Check you can use the app. Okay, if you have iPhone 7 or new model or Android phone with NFC, you can check the NFC in the settings of the phone. You can continue. If I have these options, I didn't look into other option. I just went to continue, and you need to create a UK visa immigration account if you don't have one. I had one already, so I just signed in. I think I created that while checking my e-visa, so I had one, so I just used the same one. So you can sign in there. I'll just put in my details to sign in. I went to passport because I had already synced my passport. So here I'll be putting all the details and getting back to you again. Hi, after you open your account through sign in or create a new account, you will be directed to here, dependent partner. Your application has not been started. So here's the starting point of your application. When I just click this start application, it will take you to apply as a dependent partner. Yeah, so it's your unique application number for this application. So it will start with identity and contact. So if you move forward, just click the eligibility one, apply as a spouse or a partner. You need to continue this thing. I have not gone through every details. I just went to continue. as your spouse or partner apply to work or study in UK, you says yes, because I'm in UK. Your partner is in UK now. Yes. Was your spouse or partner in the UK when they applied? Yes. So what visa have they applied for? Since I was in skilled worker dependent visa, I just click that. I move forward. Has your partner been informed that they are eligible for health and care visa? Uh, yes. In my case, yes. So I just give it the same. I'm going to. So first section has already been cleared. I just continue. Confirm your identity. Here you need to use the app. So for confirm your identity app, you need to uh, either use the app or going to visa center. I choose because I have got that phone and I can download this UK immigration and ID check app. So literally I just continued in here. And does your identity document have a biometric chip? My BRP has that chip, so I just said yes. uh, do you have access to this one of the phone? Yes, at the moment. I said yes. So from here we need to go in the app. The app, when you go in the apps, you will get a connection code from there. Put the connection code and connect it. Once you are connected, we'll just meet you at the other end. Once we are connected to the app and you put all of the information, as you need to take the photo of your BRP front back and scan the chip in the BRP, all of your fingerprints and data will be transferred to the system so that you don't have to visit any center. So I have done that, and now I'm moving forward. Once you have completed your thing in the app, it will get reconnected to the system to the application itself. So you just need to sign in again, and once you sign in again, you need to sign in as the same that you did initially. So I'll just sign in. Okay, once you sign in, you you are in here in this page. You will continue from here. You need to continue the application. They will fetch your information. Now as you can see, you will need to go again, confirm your identity. It will take some time. Okay, so it's now saying identity information submitted. You have already submitted your identity information. Now you again have to move forward by clicking continue. Okay, so as you can see now, confirm your identity has been completed. Linking code for family members. So will any of the family members be applying to come to the UK? In my case, no. So I just said no. Moving forward, pressing continue. It does fill up that thing. So immigration advisor details. In my case, are you using an immigration advisor? No. So I'm just moving forward. Continue. Contact and other names and nationalities. It says it has already taken my data, so I've said no in here. Now your identity card, it just says do you have a valid national identity card? In my case, no. I just put no in here. Moving forward, do you currently hold or ever had held on a national citizenship? In my case, no. I'm just moving forward. Continue. So in my first thing, my first phase has already been done. I'm just moving to the second phase. So pretty much what I will do is, so I hope you have already been progressing a lot in these prepare application. So the uh, so the most important part would be during people applying with you and partner application details. I will just get you there directly, because all the information uh, everyone can fill up. It's quite easy. It's just this thing in in these of in these people will be a little bit struggling. So I'll just move directly to this thing so that it will make our life easier. Okay, I'm back again. So now is the part that people will be confused about. So does my spouse already have their skilled worker visa? I said in here, yes. I moved forward. does the spouse visa, do you know the visa end date, as he has already got ILR? I said no in here. So do you have UAN number? So I said yes in here. So the UAN number that I put in here was the last UAN application, it's unique application number from the time that you have applied for visa extension last time. So we did in 2022. So I just put the same UAN number in here. So it was for my spouse UAN number. You just need to go through your emails and find out that details for you. So you have done this thing in here. You just press continue. Children's applying with you? No. Okay. When you move forward now, application details. Now uh, it's quite confusing one, so you just need to be careful on this one. Have a certificate of sponsorship number. What I said was no, because her COS number has already expired. Now what I have done in here is I've just explained it. So does not have a sponsor. Why does my spouse not have a certificate of sponsor number? So what I did was has already uh, got ILR via ILR via skilled worker route. So what I did was I put the ILR reference UAN number, reference number. So you can dig in the email of your spouse and just find out that number, just put in the number in here. What I did was, what additional thing I did was, I just put his or her expired COS. I just put the expired COS number in here as well. And I just put the work start date as shown in the expired COS. That might be something like this. Okay, so this thing, I dealt with this thing as I've shown you guys on the screen. So I just moved forward in here. Expect to start work in the UK. To be honest, I just put in the same date as her last COS, whatever might be, as her last COS. I just continue it, and I just put in here 3 years or less. Moved forward. So I just put the certificate of sponsorship job title in here, whatever you think. The code for my one was I don't know, you can just put anything like this. I'll just put in this one, and yes, I just continue. You can put in your immigration salary list. I said no in here. I just moved forward like this. Yeah, so pretty much, pretty much this is the part that everyone is confused in financial maintenance thing. And if you move forward, there will be travel history, uh, financial maintenance thing. You need to, sorry, my bad. Whenever you see the COS of your spouse, there's written there, had the employer of your spouse agreed to certify your financial maintenance? In my case, yes. As per the expired COS, I did put the same in here. I moved forward and I saved this answer. So now it's the travel history kind of thing. So travel history, how much time did you spend? Did you live in UK? I said 4, 8 or something like that. And I just moved forward. It's just random. Time is spent outside the UK. I said no. In your case, if it's yes, you need to move forward and input every data as per the questionnaire there. I said no in this case. I moved forward and I said zero in here as well. It just asks if you have traveled to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or any European Economic Area. I said zero in here, and I moved forward. World travel history, I just said no in here. If you have, then you need to input everything. Medical treatment in UK. What I did was, I was having some treatment with my GP, so I just put in yes. If no, if you don't have, please press no and move forward. National insurance number, you need to provide your national insurance number in here. So yeah, in this case, you just need to provide your national insurance number. Sorry for that. You you can put your national insurance number in here. Okay, now it moves forward to driving license. If you have yes, put yes. No, put no. For instance, I've just put no in here. Public fund, have you received? In my case, no, nothing received. So I'm just moving forward in here. So whenever whenever you finish all of these, it will ask you to continue from here. So from here, you need to provide the criminality questionnaires, security questions that you have to set up for your account, and some declarations to be done. After that, you need to pay your immigration health surcharge if there's any, and application payment need to be done, and submit the application after that. So it's pretty much not that not that complex. It's just one or few things you need to keep in mind while extending your visa when your spouse has already got an ILR. I think this video will help you guys, or at least give you confidence that somebody has already done it, so it might be helpful to you guys. Thank you. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Cheers.